so I'm going to explain today's investigation. So first of all, you need to set up your straight track. Have the stop all the way pulled back on the one side and put the clay over it, just like we've done before. And then on the other side, you hook up your rubber band. Remember, you want to cross it in an X and then hook both sides behind the washer and then tighten those screws. And then the stop on this side, I want it to be 1 inch behind the rubber band. And we're going to pull the car back to that stop every single time. So we need to be consistent. So every single time we got to pull the car back to the stop. And keep it about 1 inch away. Okay, and then you're going to need your 3 marbles, 3 silver marbles from in the rubber band bag. And let's see. So, and you need to hook your photo gate. Hook it to your timer. I just hooked it to A on the timer. And the photo gate needs to go just in front of the car on the track. It says about 10 centimeters away. Okay, so we are going to measure 4 different masses. So alright, so you will need a scale. I have mine, and we'll measure our masses in Uzinky, and if you don't happen to have a scale, you can just Skype me and I will be able to send you those masses because you will need them just to compare things. But if you don't have a mass, it's okay, or a scale. So we're going to have 4 different masses. So we're going to have an empty car, a car with 1 marble, a car with 2 marbles, and a car with 3 marbles. Just make sure when you're putting the marbles in, you space them out evenly. So like 1, it would just go in the middle, 2 would go on the outsides, 3 is just filling out the whole thing. So, let's see, the first part you're going to launch the car. So, I'm going to pull the car all the way back to the stop and then launch it, record my time from the timer, from the photo gate, and then I would just do this again and again. So, I put 1 marble in my car, set it up, and launch it, record that time. Put 2 marbles in my car, and do the same thing. Launch it, record your times. And then remember to calculate speed for our table here. For speed, you need meters per second. So meters, our distance that we're using is this little flag that's going through the photo gate, just like we've done before. And the flag is 1 centimeter wide. We need it in meters. So we got to convert that 1 centimeter to meters before you can use that distance. And then seconds, that's just the time from your timer. Okay? And then just hang on to the mass, and then we're going to graph the speed versus the mass, and we're going to compare what happens to those and see if there's a relationship.